At Alliance Homes Inc., transforming homes is at the heart of everything they do. A standout service they offer is their high-quality window installations, which elevate the beauty, energy efficiency, and functionality of any home. Whether you're renovating an existing space or building from scratch, the window installations provided by Alliance Homes Inc. make a significant difference in your living experience. Here's how their service stands out and how it transforms homes. The importance of high-quality window installation. Windows are often the first feature people notice when they approach a home. They not only contribute to the aesthetic appeal of a house but also play a crucial role in energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. However, the quality of the window installation is just as important as the windows themselves. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, moisture issues, and even damage to your home over time. Alliance Homes Inc. understands this crucial balance and goes above and beyond to ensure every window installation meets the highest standards. Their team of professionals is experienced and knowledgeable, ensuring a smooth process that results in beautiful, functional windows that enhance your home for years to come. Custom solutions for every home. Every home is unique, and so are the needs of its windows. Alliance Homes Inc. offers a wide range of window styles, from classic double-hung to contemporary casement windows, allowing homeowners to choose the best fit for their property. Their experts take the time to understand your preferences and the architectural style of your home, offering custom solutions that not only enhance the curb appeal but also improve the home's functionality. Whether you need windows for a historical property or looking for sleek, modern designs for a new build, Alliance Homes Inc. has the expertise and options to cater to any style. The customizability of their services ensures that every window installation fits perfectly with your home's design while fulfilling all practical requirements. Energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the standout benefits of Alliance Homes Inc.'s high-quality window installations is the impact they have on energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows reduce the strain on your HVAC system, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature year-round. They block out heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter, allowing you to save on heating and cooling costs. Alliance Homes Inc. installs windows that are designed with modern energy-saving technology, such as double or triple glazing, low-E glass coatings, and gas-filled spaces between panes. These features help to improve insulation, prevent drafts, and reduce energy consumption, making your home more eco-friendly and cost-efficient. Not only do these energy-efficient windows contribute to a greener environment, but they also lower utility bills and increase the overall value of your home. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. In addition to energy efficiency, one of the major benefits of high-quality window installations is the enhanced comfort they bring to your home. Modern windows from Alliance Homes Inc. provide excellent noise reduction, which is particularly beneficial for homeowners living in busy neighborhoods or near highways. The multiple layers of glass and gas-filled chambers reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home, making your living environment quieter and more peaceful. Furthermore, The improved insulation of these windows ensures that your home stays at the perfect temperature no matter the season. This contributes to an overall better living experience, where you can enjoy your space without worrying about drafts, temperature fluctuations, or external noise. Aesthetics and curb appeal. The aesthetic value of your home cannot be overstated, and windows play a significant role in that. With Alliance Homes Inc.'s attention to detail, homeowners can rest assured that their new windows will not only function well but also elevate the overall look of their property. Whether you're choosing elegant French doors, stylish bay windows, or sleek modern designs, Alliance Homes Inc. offers a broad selection to match every taste and home style. The company ensures that the windows are installed flawlessly, aligning perfectly with the existing design of the home. This attention to detail helps boost the curb appeal of your home, which is especially valuable if you plan to sell in the future. Expert installation for lasting quality. When it comes to window installations, the difference between good and great lies in the quality of the installation. Alliance Homes Inc. prides itself on its skilled team, who carry out each installation with precision and care. By ensuring that every window is sealed properly and installed according to the manufacturer's specifications, Alliance Homes Inc. guarantees long-lasting performance and durability. With their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, Alliance Homes Inc. has built a strong reputation for transforming homes with top-quality window installations that stand the test of time. Conclusion. Alliance Homes Inc. continues to be a leader in home transformation through their expert window installation services. By offering high-quality, energy-efficient windows tailored to the specific needs of each homeowner, they ensure not only an enhanced aesthetic appeal but also improved comfort, energy savings, and long-term durability. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current windows or install new ones in a brand new home, Alliance Homes Inc. is the trusted name for transforming homes with high-quality window installations.